Now everything. So it will return A B C D E F. Now reversing the string. If you want to reverse complete string, what will happen here? See, suppose this string A B C D we have, it will return like F E D C B E. Okay, when it will, okay, when we mention -1 at the last, which is the step size, and everything is empty, it will return us the reverse string. So keep in mind, this is the interview question, how to reverse the string. Whenever any string is given, you have to apply this thing only. Okay, you will get the reverse string. Okay, next, palindrome. What is palindrome, guys? See, palindrome. A. This word. Suppose this word we try to read from the opposite side or reverse side, it will again give the A. Suppose this is aba, and if we read this from reverse direction, again this will be aba. Okay, these words are called as the palindrome. After reversing aba, what will return? Aba, right? Similarly, Malayalam. Have you heard about the Malayalam language? Okay, it is used in the Kerala region. Okay, Malayalam. This is also a palindrome word. Suppose you are starting from the left to right, it is Malayalam, and suppose you are trying to read from the right to left in reverse direction, it is again gives the Malayalam. So this is palindrome. Okay, suppose anyone asked you what is palindrome, you can say that it is when we reverse the string, and after reversing the string it will return the same word. That is called as the palindrome. Here we assign the F to the aba, suppose. Okay, and how to give the palindrome then? Just give the -1 for F square bracket colon -1. So it will return this. Okay, let's see with the Malayalam example. In next cell I create here cell. Okay, we put here example Malayalam. Suppose F1 is equal to Malayalam, we assign. Okay, and F1 square bracket colon -1. Oh, sorry, I did not see. You also try to code again and again, and just try to read these errors. Okay, so you can learn many things. Every time try to run your cell, every code cell, and try to understand what these errors are saying. So luckily we got here error here, so I am going to explain you this error. See, name error. What is line number 1? F1 Malayalam, line number 2, where we got the error. Why it is not executed? Only first line is executed because we have to define this word, and it is saying it is not defined. Name Malayalam is not defined. Okay, you know, the string should be defined inside single quotation or double quotation. Okay, anyone can be, then it will run. See, palindrome come Malayalam. Okay, so how you mention that with the coding it is palindrome or not? See, for that the syntax is, see here, if we have used here if statement. Okay, if this is some advanced thing, you don't need to worry now, but in next session we will see everything. If f equal to f of colon -1, okay, and it will return the print statement. Okay, print its palindrome if so हमारे पास जो अभी okay, sorry, so here we have f1 is equal to f1 of colon colon minus 1. What is it saying? See, don't think about this part I have selected. Okay, you just think about this part. If f1, okay, so f1 is Malayalam, is equal to f1 of reverse, means agar means if the Malayalam is assigned to f1 is reversed is equal to means both are the same, then what should return this print statement as it is palindrome. This is the simple if statement. It is given, as we know, f1 is Malayalam and it is palindrome, so it is returning palindrome. If we want to concatenate the string, what is the concatenate now? It's simply adding of the strings. It's simply the adding of the strings. When we want to add the strings, we just put the plus symbol in the string. Are you getting? See, this D is assigned with the string technology lab plus to learn analytics. These two strings we have created here, technology lab plus to learn analytics. Okay, what will it return? See, we get the technology lab to learn analytics with this D. Okay, simply you can create two variables. Suppose a1 is equal to para and b1 equal to Sara. Okay, but and suppose we add the both. Okay, it should be, see, this para should be defined, Sara should be defined, and suppose we give the a1 plus b1. Okay, and c1 is equal to a1 plus b1 we given. Okay, c1 is equal to a1 plus b1. We assign the strings and we want to find what is c1. Then see what will it return in this code. Let's run. What we got? Para Sara. This is the concatenation, right? You can simply directly add also. When you are going to code for some bigger program, you will need to assign these variables to every string for the sake of the good readability and the good usability of the code. When you will enter into the industry, this kind of writing should be there. Okay, we can simply keep this as a para and Sara directly also. We can add this string directly also. See, suppose we add this, okay, and we will give the name as c1. Other thing I will remove. See, c1 is equal to para plus Sara. What will return? Tell me. Plus I want to add some another string also. We'll put para sara and something else. Thank you, suppose. Thanks. Okay, so what will it return? Para sara thanks, right? See, c1 para sara thanks. In this way the concatenation of the string takes place. Understood, guys? I hope you are understanding. Now repetition of the string. What is repetition? When we repeat something, here is given d, okay, star 2 means what? We will do you remember the string we have created or the concatenation technology lab plus to learn analytics? Okay, we will change this for the sake of good understanding. In one cell above, let me create a cell. See, in this cell we will create d variable is equal to parag, okay, plus sara, or we will hello world. We will take hello world, hello plus world. Okay, how concatenation done? We need to define for the string. Okay, then it will give hello world. Okay, we will give the space here. See, space here, so both words will not come in a join. See, hello world repetition d star 2 means this string is hello world. This string is hello world. We multiply this with 2, so what happened? Repetition of hello world, hello world. Are you getting? See, hello world and hello world, right? Now methods in a string. Okay, string methods. Different methods are used to manipulate the string. Suppose here d dot upper, this is the one method. What will it return? It will return the string in the upper letters, hello world. See, we got the hello world due to this d dot upper. Now d dot lower method, what will return this? This will lower the all the words letters in the hello world. See, all the letters in the hello world become lower letter, small letters. Now see, d dot replace. This is method is used for the replacement of for this element whichever we have mentioned with this second element. Okay, at the first position we mentioned the that word or the part of the string which we have to replace, and this second word is for the statement or word or the any name or string which we have to put at that replaced word. Okay, so let's try to replace the word world with hello earth. Okay, we will give earth. So let's see what happens. Instead of hello world, now get the hello earth with this replace method. Now we will see the split method. D dot split, what will it return? See, the split method return us the hello world in the square bracket. as a list separated by comma. Okay, split method, this is the very important method, you should remember. Okay, suppose there are types of the split method again. Suppose we have to split this string with the O, suppose O or L is many times came here, so let's use the L. What will it give? It will return the string with the separation of this L word. At every L the string will be separated. Okay, see, in hello L comes, it is separated with space, again L comes separated with space, then O, then can you see world. Okay, at every L it is separated, right? It used the L as the separator, so it is not came into this syntax anywhere, and just the position, at the position of the L we got the separation. Okay, next, s dot d dot split at a. Is there a in the hello world? No, so we will use the, suppose O. Okay, O, split at with the O, what will happen? We will split this d dot split, okay, with O. What will happen? So at the every O in hello world it will get separated. See, hell after O comes, so it got separated. Okay, world at the O position it got separated. See, this separation is given by the comma. Okay, so in this way. Now swap case. What the swap case do? See, it was the small letters all. In swap case it become the hello world as a capital letters. Suppose we have created this variable s is equal to, see here, s is equal to data mining variable is the string we created, data mining variable. Inside this data mining variable, what will happen? S dot swap case, what will return? It will swap all the cases. See here, this D is capital, we will get the small d. This A is the small, we will get this capital. M is the capital, we will get swapped to the small m. I mining variable, from the I to the end, all the small letters it will get swapped with capital letters. See, swap case. What swap case method do? Swap the all the letters. Then d dot title. In d dot title we get the hello world. As we mentioned in title, first letter is capital, so here hello first letter became capital. In world, first letter become capital. D dot capitalize. See, it capitalized the first letter of the string only. In d dot title, every word's first letter is got capitalized, but in capitalize, the first word of the complete string is got capitalized. Okay, then join. List or tuple of a string. See, here the list created L. 3 Ankit, Anish and Sudarshan, 3 names are given. 3 strings we have given here, separated with comma. Inside the list of the identifier is L. we created another variable s is equal to underscore. See, this is underscore is mentioned in the double quotation, underscore dot dot join L. So it is saying this L is joined at this position of the commas. In the string, the position of the commas are should be replaced or the joined with the underscore. It is saying after printing this S, we will get Ankit, Anish, Sudarshan joined with the underscore. See, and what will be the type of this? Class str. See, this print type of this class str. Okay, now see this code. First line is print. We have written here 1 inside the string for the sake of understanding. 1 comma, second string is hello world 25 dot is alpha is the method. Okay, dot is alpha is the method used. Second line is alnum is the method used. Third line is upper is the method used. Fourth line is lower is the method used. Fifth line is title is the method used. Okay, these 5 method we have used in this code. Is alpha, is alnum, is upper, is lower, is title. Is alpha will return if there is the alpha numeric only, it will return as is alpha as true. What will return? True. Okay, but here is not only alphabets, here is number also 25. See, because of this 25, this will come as the false. Let's try. See, false. Okay, yeah, in similar way, see, is alnum means is alphanumeric. Is alnum means is alphanumeric. Here is alnum is alphanumeric. Hello 25, in hello 25 string is alpha numeric means alpha there is alpha also and numeric also. So alphanumeric is true. Third one is upper. Upper means upper caps. These are the lower caps HELL. So this will return false at the third position. See, third position. What is the third position? False. Here is lower. Hello 25 is lower. All the words are lower. Yes, HELLO is lower. Therefore, it is returning the true at the fourth position. See, fourth position. Now, fifth. In the fifth position, hello 25 is title. H is given small, so it is not title. So it will return false. See, false. Let's change to the capital H. See what will happen here. We change this in hello 25. We change this small h to the capital H. Okay, what will return? Let's see. True, because it is now alpha H. Okay, so in this way, now there is the format method mentioned, but it will be so much heavy for today, and it's also become a long video. So I think I should stop here. In the next session we will see how the dot format works. Okay, for now today you should write this code and practice this code. I have created this video very slowly, but you guys can see at the fast speed. Okay, so thank you, and like, subscribe and share. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.